Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix issue our .php file extension not working in website but .html file is working. Now you see index.html loading but hello.php show file not found. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue, but mostly this issue occur our cpanel don't recognize .php file extension and we are using PHP version 8.1 and PHP 8.1 version don't recognize this path hello.php. Now go to hosting cpanel. So we are using 8.1 PHP version. So first we are going to change 7.4 and then click on OK to check. Now you see settings saved. Now go to PHP, refresh the page. Now you see text yes PHP. So both PHP 7.40 and 8.1 has different path to recognize .php file, different path format, and 7.4 PHP is most generic. So that's why our PHP file run on 7.4 PHP but PHP 8.1 this file not run. So mostly this issue occur due to path of PHP 8.1. Now back to PHP and then you see open base directory. So you can set path here. So you can select. So you can add your path. If you don't know how to solve this, then you can contact your hosting and hosting will solve your this issue. In our scenario, PHP 8.1 don't recognize PHP path. So PHP 8.1 not running but PHP 7.4 is running. So that's why our PHP file run on 7.4 PHP and also this issue occurred due to file or folder permission. So you can set your folder permission but mostly this issue occurred due to PHP 8.1 file path. File path is wrong. So that's why PHP file not running on 8.1. So you can contact your hosting and if you know your base directory path you can add in PHP setting and then click on save and your issue will be fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.